Amazon KDP has quietly started cracking down on low quality and AI detected content. If you're publishing AI books the wrong way, you could risk account flags, rejections, or even bans. But here's the good news. You can absolutely use AI safely if you know how to do it right. Today I'm going to show you how to publish AI assisted books on Amazon KDP without getting banned, and how to make sure your work passes every quality and detection tests. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part one, what Amazon actually cares about. The first thing you need to understand is that Amazon doesn't explicitly ban AI. They don't care if you use ChatGPT, Claude, or any other tool. What they do care about is quality and compliance. KDP wants books that deliver real value to readers. That means your book has to be well written, formatted correctly, free of repetitive nonsense, and compliant with their guidelines. Where most AI publishers go wrong is when they dump raw, unedited AI text onto Amazon. Readers spot it, complain, and reviews tank. That is when Amazon steps in. So the issue isn't AI, it's lazy publishing. Now, part two, how to make AI text undetectable. Here's where it gets practical. You can absolutely make AI assisted writing safe, but you have to process it like a real publisher. Step one, adjust the text yourself. Don't just copy and paste what AI gives you. Add your own stories, examples, and insights. Even a short anecdote from your life can make the book feel authentic and human. Step two, run your draft through tools like Grammarly. Grammarly won't just catch grammar mistakes. It will also flag tone, repetition, and awkward phrasing that screams AI. When you clean this up, your writing becomes smoother and more natural. Step three, use AI detection tools, but don't obsess. There are free scanners out there that will tell you if your books are AI generated text. The goal isn't to trick every detector. The goal is to polish your book until it feels 100% human. If a section gets flagged, rewrite it in your own words, or just expand it with personal insights. I've had sections go from 80% AI detected to 0% just by writing a few paragraphs and tightening the language. Now finally, part three, building books that last. The final step is to think long term. Don't play the short game of pumping out hundreds of AI books hoping that one hits. Instead, focus on creating books that actually help people. That means doing niche research, choosing topics that have demand, and presenting your books with real value. Add case studies, stories, and data that AI doesn't have. If you can merge AI speed with human insight, you'll publish books that Amazon loves and that readers actually buy. The creators who last on KDP aren't the ones trying to hide from AI detection. They're the ones who use AI as a co-pilot, but not as the whole driver. So can you use AI without getting banned? Absolutely! As long as you edit, polish, and add your own expertise, your books won't just pass detection, they'll stand out. And if you want to skip the guesswork, I built a course that shows you step-by-step how to research niches, use the right AI prompts, format your book, and get it live on KDP making sales. It's linked below. If you're serious about publishing, make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.